Okay, let's see question 2. This diagram on the right shows the view from the top of a lighthouse and the coast. This one you can see from the top. The beacon of the lighthouse sends out a light ray as shown in the diagram. Beacon is like a traffic light lah, lampu isyarat, and it moves, rotates. Beacon rotates, the light ray moves along the course of an angle x. Okay, write a function for the distance s. Okay, you want to write the function of s. S equal something. Okay, from this diagram, okay, what do you see? This diagram, you see this angle, s, and then 500, and you see a right angle triangle. This one, right angle triangle. So of course, when you have all this information, what comes to your mind is Pythagoras Theorem. So you can write equation. If this angle is x, so this is opposite, this is adjacent. So of course you use tangent x equal opposite over adjacent, right? So tangent x will be s over 500. This is s. Okay, so now you find your s lah. S equal 500 tangent x. Yeah. Okay. Next is you are asked to state the amplitude and the period. Amplitude and the period. Okay. So from here, from this one, you know that because it's tangent graph, when it is tangent, there is no amplitude. This is very easy to answer. No amplitude. Period, the next one you are asked to find the period. Period, you have a formula 360 over b. And from this graph, what is your b? Okay, previous exercise you are asked to find your period. So next to x, before x is the number. Actually the number is 1 here. So your period is actually 306. Oh, something goes wrong here. What is it? Okay, teacher used the wrong formula already. Okay, tangent, the formula for period is 180 over b. Yeah, I hope you noticed just now, but you're so maybe excited to tell me, but you cannot tell me because this is a recorded video. Okay, so period is your b is 1, just now your b is 1, so 180 over 1 is 180. So answer all done. No amplitude and period is 180. Okay, the graph on the right depicts the water level recorded in a pot. It's given that y represent the water level, okay, in meter, and x represent the time in hours. So you're asked to state the trigonometric function of the graph in the form of y equal a sine bx plus c. So you can see the graph is sine graph. Sine graph. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to find what is your A, what is your B, and what is your C. So first of all, we find A, the amplitude. Then B, the last one is C. This is the last one we do. Okay, because C is we want to see the graph move up or down, and how many what's the movement, the length. Okay, we do A, amplitude. So amplitude will be from this graph. You can see you can find the amplitude. Amplitude is the formula maximum minus minimum over 2. Yeah. So the maximum is 4. You minus with the minimum 1.8 divide by 2. You'll get your A. Your A is 1.1. Yeah. Your A is 1.1. Okay, when you get your A is 1.1, okay, this one you keep. You go and find your B. B is, you can find B using the formula period equal, okay, for sine graph, the formula is, period is 360 over B. Okay, over B. So from this graph, what is the period? Once again, I always repeat this. Remind you that period is one complete cycle. So from here, the complete cycle is, of course, from here, yeah, the graph of sine. This is the complete cycle at 24. Yeah, at 24. So the period is 24 equal 360 over B. So now you can find your B lah. This one go up. Your B is 360 over 24. So you got your B is 15. Okay, very good. So you got your A, B, and now we go to C. Yeah, we go to C. Okay, from this graph, you want to see the graph. Of course, you can see from the basic graph is from here, right? It's from here. Basic graph is from here. So it has moved. It has moved from this x-axis. Okay, I use this one. From this x-axis, it has moved to. Okay, you have to find the center line of here. Yeah, the center line. This one, the center line. So it has moved from x-axis to here. Yeah, so you have to find the length lah. Yeah. So before that, you know that the amplitude here is 1.1. 1.1. So this amplitude also 1.1. Yeah, 1.1. So you know that this one is 1.1 and this one is 1.8. So the length altogether will be yeah, your C will be 1.8 plus 1.1. So your C will be 2.9. Yeah, do you get it? Okay, then now when you have your all, you have got this already. Yeah, your A, your B, and your C. You just finish it with the equation lah, yeah. With the equation y equal A is 1.1, the graph is sine, B is 15x, yeah, 15x plus 2.9. So this is your function, yeah. State the trigonometric function. So this is the answer already. Okay.